ওকে স্যার, প্রথম কোশ্চেন যেটা ছিল এখানে আমরা যাচ্ছি, 1 নম্বর কোশ্চেন ছিল ডিটারমাইন দ্য লগ অফ 3√3 to the base of 3. So log base 3√3, that means you can write log 3 to the power 1 plus half, 1 for 3 and √3. That's for half, which is √3. So 3 base 3 to the power 3 by 2. So 3 to the power 2 into 3 base logarithm of 3. That is 3 to the power 2 into 1. That is 3 to the power 3 by 2. 3 by 2 to the into 1. That is 3 by 2 is the answer. Very simple. Question number B. Determine the value of B minus 7. In this question, there was a problem. It is the question taken from test exam of Borishal Cadet College, and the question was B 10 base logarithm of 3√3, 10 based 1 by 8 minus 10 base logarithm of, this is not only √10, it should be 10 √10. That was the mistake in the question, and that's why you could not solve it. It should be 10 √10 and divided by 10 base logarithm of 1 by 2. So now we can simplify it. So we can write 10 based 3 to the power 3 by 2 minus log 10. This can be written as this. This can be written as like this. There's 1 by 2. There's a cube. We will do it in 2 lines. Okay. So 10 root 10, that is 10 to the power 3 by 2. And divided by, so we can write it as 10 base level of 1 and 2. Again, in the numerator, 3 to the power 3 by 2 minus. This power can also be converted to 3 to 3 by 2. That's we need to write this 1 by 4. That means 1 by 2 square. Then it can be written as 3 by 2. So 2 square, then this 2 square will be reduced to this 2, the denominator of the power. So you can write minus this. Then the denominator can be written as 10, that is 12 by 10. So in the numerator, we can take common 3 by 2. So it can be written as 10, 3, 10. 1 by 4 can be written as 2 to the power minus 2. So 10, 10. 10 can be written as 5 into 2. In the denominator can be written as 6 by 5. 6 by 5. So numerator 3 by 2. This is a log 10, 3. It's minus 2 will come forward. So it will be plus 2 into minus minus plus, so 2 into 10 raised to 2 and minus, oh, this 3 by 2 should not be written. There's a mistake. Okay. So this is log 10 raised 5 2 in the denominator. We can write log 10 by 6 minus 10 by 5. So here you can see that is a log 10, 10 base 3, 2 log 10 base 2 minus log 10 base 2. So 1 log 10 base 2 minus log 10 base 5. And in the denominator, we'll get also this because 10 base logarithm of 6 can be written as 10 base logarithm of 3 plus 10 base logarithm of 2. There's 6 can be written as 3 into 2. And again, this 10 base logarithm of 5. So we will reduce this 10 base logarithm of 3 plus 10 base logarithm of 2 minus 10 base logarithm of 5. And we will get 3 by 2 as the value of b. That's why, therefore, b minus 7 is equal to 3 by 2 minus 7. We will calculate 3 minus 14 is equal to minus 11 by 2. This will be that. So, okay. Next, number C. Number 6, we need to simplify the a, given a, 5 to the power m plus 1, given a was 5 to the power m plus 1, a is equal to 5 to the power. Okay, we will take this downward, this part. State. So 5 to the power m plus 1 divided by 5 to the power m minus 1 divided by 25 to the power m minus 1, then 5 to the power m minus 1 to the power m plus 1 into cube root of 5 to the power 9. Now, we will simplify this. That is 5 to the power m plus 1. In the denominator, it is m squared minus m. Then we can write this as the multiplication. So this denominator will become the numerator. So m minus 1 into m plus 1, it will be m squared minus 1, s squared minus b squared. And 25 can be written as 5 squared m minus 1 into 5 to the power 9. Cube root of 5 to the power 9 can be written as 5 to the power 9. The power will be 5 to the power 9 by 3. So, in the next, it is 5 to the power m plus 1 minus m squared plus m into 5 to the m minus 1. That's 5 to the 2m minus 2 into 5 to the power 3. Next. So this is all the 5. So there's 5 to the power 2m plus 1 minus m squared. Here we get m plus m. There's 2m. plus 1 minus m squared, then again plus m squared minus 1, and minus twice m plus 2 plus 3. So minus m squared plus m squared will be vanished. Minus 2m plus 2m will be vanished. Plus 3, this is plus 1 minus 1 will be vanished. So 5 to the power 5 will be there. 5 to the power 5 will be there, okay? So we have got 5 to the power 5 is the value. And 5 to the power 5, and now a divided by, or root over 2.25. So therefore, a divided by root over 2.25, that is 5 to the power 5 divided by, it is, I think it is, 1.5. So 5 to the power 5 means, what is the value of 5 to the power 5? 5 to the power 5, 3125. 3125. Into 15 by 10, that's 10 by 15. So can we divide it by 3125? 3125 by 15, yes, 625. So if we calculate, it will be 6250 divided by 3. This will be the answer for this problem. Again, the third question, one number that is given angle of elevation, angle of depression. You will read it from textbook. We discussed it previously. So now we will solve this question number 3. This is one of the short questions. It is given, if the height of a tree is equal to the length of its shadow, what is the angle of elevation of the sun? So let we will draw a figure here, figure. So on this figure, this is the tree. Tree. This is A, B, C, and let the height of the tree AB is equal to x meter. Therefore, shadow, a length of shadow, element is length of shadow is equal to x meter because they are equal in triangle ABC. Tan theta is equal to AB divided by BC. So length of shadow BC. Now for tan theta is equal to x by x, that is tan theta is equal to 1, that is tan theta is equal to 45 degree. Tan theta is equal to 45 degree, therefore theta is equal to 45 degree. That is angle of elevation of sun is 45 degree. This is the answer. Okay. Next is in the figure, this figure. Next figure. In the figure, we need to. Now we are going to the question number 4. In the figure, it is given that PQ and P are two tangents. we know. Tangents, radius, radius, or radius drawn at the point of contact of a tangent at radius drawn at the point of contact of a tangent of a circle is perpendicular to the tangent. So therefore OR perpendicular PR and OQ perpendicular PQ now we denote it SQN. So angle OQN is equal to SQN plus OQS. Therefore, OQS is equal to OQN minus SQN, that is 90 degree, minus SQN is 50 degree, that is 40 degree. Again, in triangle OQS, in triangle OQS, OQ is equal to OS, OQ is equal to OS. Therefore, angle OQS is equal to OSQ. OSQ is equal to angle OQS is equal to 40 degree. Okay. Then again, angle O or M O R M is equal to angle SRM plus angle ORS. That is therefore implies angle ORS is equal to ORM minus SRM. And that is ORM is 90 degree and SRM is 60 degree. It is 30 degree. In triangle ORS, ORS, OR is equal to OS. OR is equal to OS. Therefore, angle OSR is equal to angle ORS is equal to 30 degree. Now angle RSQ, angle RSQ, angle SQ is equal to angle OSQ plus OSR. OSQ plus OSR, that is 40 plus 30. 40 plus 30 degree, that is 70. Now, you can see in the figure, that is, the figure it is so here is now you can see the figure. In the figure, you can see that RSQ is the inscribed angle and ROQ is the central angle. So ROQ, central angle ROQ, central angle ROQ is equal to 2 into circular angle RSQ, that is 2 into 70 degree, that is 140 degree. You can see that is 140 degree. So I need to find out RPQ. We need to find out the RPQ, and there you can see that ORPQ is quadrilateral. So in quadrilateral ORPQ angle, RPQ plus angle PQO plus angle ROQ plus angle ORP is equal to 360 degree. Now you can see angle RPQ plus PQO. There is 90. PQO is 90 degree. ROQ is 140 degree. Then again, 90 degree. It is 360 degree. 90 plus 90, 180 plus 140. You need to find out the total. Total. That is kota. Or PQ. 360 minus 180 minus 140. 180 minus 140. Oh, sorry, 180 plus 140. And 320 degree. 320, 360, there is 40 degrees done. So I think it's this solution length is a little bit longer. But we can learn this. This type of question can come also in the MCQ also. If you know that technique, then you can solve it very easily. Okay. Going to the question number 5. Question number 5, in triangle Q is equal to 90 degree, RPQ is equal to 60 degree, PQ is equal to 8 centimeter, and PR is equal to 1. So you can see that this is a right angle triangle, and we will draw this tract figure. You should draw it with pencil. Okay. So not like the construction, but like the theorem. Okay. So this is PQR 90 degree. Then PRQ is 60 degree. And PQ is 8 centimeter. What is the problem here? This is very, very simple. That is in triangle. PQ sine 60 degrees. The opposite is PQ by hypotenuse. Sphere sine 60 root 3 by 2. PQ is 8. And PR, we need to find it. Then again, PR is equal to 8 into 2 divided by root 3. That is 16 by root 3 centimeter. And it can be converted into decimal values. Root over 3, that is 9.24 centimeter. And question number 6 as a theorem from your book. So solve it by yourself. And the MCQ. If you can draw these figures, the geometrical MCQ, then it will be very easy. Until you draw the figure, this will take. So this is written that AOC is the diameter. AB is equal to the circle, and AOC is diameter. Then you need to draw a circle, and you think that AOC is the diameter A, so C is the diameter. So AB is the chord, so that ACB is 50 degree. AB is the chord of the circle. So this is AB is the chord, and they are this. Okay. And this is SCB. It's 50 degree. So if this SCB is 50 degree, and another point is that it is the tangent to the circle at the point A. So this is a point. So this will be 90 degree. So this is 50 degree. This is semicircular angle ABC. So this is 90 degree. So this must be 40 degree. That is BAC is 40 degree. So this angle, that is angle BAT, since the whole angle is 90 degrees, so 90 minus 40, that is 50 degree will be the answer. The concentric circles are the radius of 5 centimeters, 3 centimeters. The length of the chord of the larger circle which touches the smaller circle is what? The concentric. We think of 2 circles. This is one circle. This is another circle. Both of the circles will have the same center. Suppose this is O. So the radius of the smaller circle is 3 centimeter, and the length of the greater circle will have the radius 5 centimeter. Okay. So now, if we draw a chord, the length of the chord of the circle, which touches the smaller circle, that is, touches the smaller circle, that means this will be like this. This is the chord. So AB is the chord which touches the smaller circle as and the point P. So AP perpendicular. Oh, and again, AB is the chord of the bigger circle, and the perpendicular is drawn from the center to the chord. That means OP will bisect AB. That means this the value is 3, this value is 4, sorry, this value is 5. So from the Pythagorean theorem, we can find that this 5 square minus 3 square, that is 25 minus 9, that is 16. Root over 16 means 4. So AP is 4. So BP will also be 4. That is, the chord will be 8 centimeter. And now this one, number 3, root 3 to the power 2x. So root 3 to the power 2x can be written as 3 to the power 2x plus 1 by 2, and cube root, then again a root over 3. So 3 to the power x minus 1, it will be 3 into 2, because 1 by 3, then 1 by 2. So 3 into 2, the power. So it is 2 to the power 2x plus 1, sorry, 2, and x minus 1 by 6. So it is 2x by plus 2 is equal to x minus 1 by 6. So cross multiply, that is 12x plus 6, 2x minus 2. That is 10x is equal to minus 8. That is, x is equal to minus 4 by 5. Okay. 2x, then 10x, then minus 8. That's 4 by 5. And if the measurement of an angle inscribed in an arc is 135 degree, then the arc is, this is a circle, this is the measure arc. If you, and sorry, suppose this is the, I think I should draw the circle properly, otherwise you cannot understand. So, circle, this is the circle, okay. Look at this circle, and this circle is, suppose this is A, this is the minor arc A, this is the major arc. Now, if you draw an angle which lies, whose vertex lies in the minor arc, it will be, of course, an obtuse angle, and whose vertex will be in the, whose vertex will be in the major arc, it will be acute angle. So now the angle, it is written, if the measurement of an angle inscribed in an arc is 135 degree, then the arc is what? Then the arc is 135 is an obtuse angle. Therefore, the arc will be minor, because it is written inscribed in the arc. But if it is written inscribed on the arc, then 135 degree, for 135 degree, it will be major arc. On the arc, it is different. When the angle will be on the major arc, it will be obtuse. But in the major arc, it will be acute angle. But this angle is given is in the arc and it is obtuse. So the arc will be minor. The angle of elevation of sun is 90 degree. Then the, what will be the length of the shadow of the tree? 90 degree means there will be no shadow. The length of the shadow will be 0 meter, because if it is 90 degree, that means from the foot of the tree, the angle of elevation will be calculated. So there is no displacement of shadow. So angle will not be less. It will be vertically calculated. That's why it will be 90 degree, and the shadow will be 0.